Ceviche. It's a refreshing and delicious meal that's low carb, low fat, gluten-free, and my favorite, no cook. Plus, it's easier to prepare than you think. Our own Danielle Nottingham is at a new local favorite in Sherman Oaks, learning how to make a fresh ceviche recipe. Hey, Danny.
Hey, Jess. I'm at Casita in Sherman Oaks. We're right on Ventura Boulevard. And what I love about this place is it's my neighborhood. So when I first came in here to eat, I tried the ceviche, and I learned that it's actually not that hard to make. So easy is always the best for me. So we're going to get to their recipe here in just a second. But first, I feel like I'm on vacation. So Paul, Carroll, come on over here. Paul.
Hola, neighbor.
Hola. Paul is the owner here at Casita, and I mean, I felt like I went on vacation. Yeah. What's the concept behind this? Yeah, well, besides the fire truck, now that the fire truck is passed.
So the decor is Tulum inspired, and we are fresh, modern Mexican in a fun Tulum vibe.
All right, and so the vibe in here is very cool. You already started by lighting some drinks on fire.
Well, this is how we do it. So our passion fruit margarita, and then this is our rosemary lemonade with torched rosemary.
All right.
And our salsa tray.
All right, well, we're here to make some ceviche today, so you're going to pass me off.
Oh, my chef partner here, Adam Titze, is going to show you how to make ceviche.
Fantastic.
All right, let's go. Thank you, Paul. He's got a surprise for us later, so he's going to be back.
I do indeed.
All right, so chef, well, what is ceviche? Let's start there.
Ceviche, I guess, in its simplest terms, is just fish that's been cured with citrus. And then we serve it with some fresh vegetables and things like that. It was originally, a method of preservation of keeping food so it before refrigeration didn't spoil. So in its simplest form, that's all we're going to do is we're going to cure the fish with some citrus juice and then serve it with some fresh vegetables and avocado.
Okay, so let's go. How do we start?
So real simple. Just take the fish. Today we're using shrimp. At Casita we use shrimp. We keep it in ice. It's best to keep your seafood as cold as possible as you're working through this. We add in the lime juice, lemon juice, and just a little bit of orange juice here, which is kind of atypical of traditional ceviche, but that's kind of what Casita is all about. Then we add in all this corresponding citrus zest from all of those, and then just give it a stir, get it all nice and incorporated, and then your best bet is to put it in the refrigerator for 3 to 12 hours, and on a flat surface. So we do it like this, and then about every 30 minutes, you're going to go into your refrigerator and give it a stir.
And this is the no-cook part.
This is the no-cook part. And then when we flash forward 3 hours, we get this. So after it's sat and it's cured, you can see how it's taken on a different texture and a different color. The fish firms up a little bit. We're going to pour that into a bowl with a little bit of the citrus juice and the zest.
All right.
At Casita, we add jicama, apples, tomato, red onion, cilantro, and serrano peppers. We're going to add in a small amount of that. And, of course, avocado, small amount of that.
All right. And then
give it a stir.
You throw some salt in there?
Give her a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt goes a long ways. Pinch of salt. Take the whole thing. We're going to put it right into our molcajete.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
We'll give it a little bit more avocado on top, because who doesn't love a ton of avocado? And we love cilantro here at Casita, so we'll put a little micro cilantro on top.
All right, look at that. So I'm going to try that in a second, because we've got about a minute left here, and we've got a surprise for everyone. So Paul is back.
I'm back.
So
Look who's back.
What is this?
All right, so I'm going to show you some of my favorite. So this is our yellowtail passion fruit agua chile, infused with hibiscus, our Chilean sea bass with a pepita crust. Then we have various street tacos, the first one being A5 Wagyu from Japan, outstanding. A little take on LA here with street corn. One of my favorites right here is a lobster bomba rice, which is essentially a risotto, coconut lime risotto with a roasted jalapeno butter, and then...
What is this?
This is
flaming panela cheese.
The flaming panela cheese.
Woo! Look at that.
We roast the panela cheese in the oven, flame it with mezcal, let it reduce down, and then we hit it with a tiny bit of citrus,
delicious.
And you dip your chips into it.
That's great. Okay, so I'm about to eat some ceviche and some vanilla. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you,
This is
Danielle.
so great.
Thank you so much.
And just hopefully, you know, you can make this at home, the ceviche. I don't know about the panelle. You might have to come here for that.
Don't try this at home, folks.
I actually just made the
Don't try
grilled
this at
panela at home. Well, actually, I didn't make it. My husband made it, but it was delicious.
Okay, well, there you go.
Well, you're speaking my language, Danny, and we should start Ceviche Mondays here at the office. So you're first. Bring it on over.